I've always wanted to see if I could pop popcorn up in the mountains with this power station. Let's see if the Ecoflow River can do it. Not sure the wattage on this microwave. I want to say it's around 700 watts. So I'm looking at the back here, and it says input 1100 watts and output 700 watts. So let's see if this 600 watt rated with X boost technology, which really just reduces the voltage. Let's see if that will pop a bag of Kirkland popcorn. Popcorn. Okay, at first I definitely heard the power start up, but then immediately reduce. On the display here, the watts are kind of all over the place from 470 to 600. Kind of the same deal with the muffins. It probably can pop the popcorn, but it's just going to take longer than the time it suggests. There's the first pop. And the EcoFlow fan just kicked on. Okay, so it took about 11 seconds to drop 1 percentage bar on the EcoFlow. I can smell the popcorn. It's starting to pop a little bit faster, but there's only 12 seconds left on the microwave, and it definitely needs more time to pop. Haven't popped the full bag of popcorn, so I'm gonna... Oh, it won't let me. So I'm gonna clear it and add 3 minutes just to see where it'll go. Well, definitely taking longer than a normal microwave at home, or even this microwave on a full power source. But it is popping. It's kind of hard to know when to stop the popcorn. I don't hear any popping for a while, so maybe I'll go ahead and stop it. Oh, look at that. There you have it. I doubt all the seeds are popped, but the longer I leave that in there, the more likely the popcorn is to burn. Try this. It's interesting. It's kind of like a mixture of a hint of burnt popcorn, but still the good taste of Kirkland popcorn. You can taste the oils and whatnot. So maybe if I had taken it out 20 to 30 seconds sooner, maybe it would be just right. But you wouldn't have a full bag, I don't think, of popcorn. I'm sure there's still seeds at the bottom. But in case scenario, it does work. If you've got this power station and a microwave handy, you can take it camping and pop popcorn. All right, for those who are interested, this is how many kernels were left in the bag after polishing off all the popped popcorn. Not too many, so overall it did a pretty good job. I'm pretty satisfied with how it turned out.